Hello folks, Xiaomi launched its 12 series earlier this year, but there was one glaring omission from the lineup, the great Xiaomi 12 Ultra. This phone is shaping out to be one of the most anticipated devices at the moment, and now we have the potential date of the official announcement. According to TechGoin, Xiaomi will start to tease the phone as early as 28th of June, and the official announcement will happen on July 5th. Now, this site quotes a now known Chinese tipster as its source, so we're not sure how accurate this information really is. On the other hand, Xiaomi and Leica announced their official partnership a couple of weeks ago, saying that the first device to bear the fruits of this collaboration will be launching in July. We should take this rumor with a healthy grain of salt, but there's a chance it might turn out correct. Rumor has it that the Xiaomi 12 Ultra will come equipped with a 6.6-inch curved AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, sporting a QHD Plus resolution and a 20:9 aspect ratio. Judging from the leaked renders, we should expect a massive circular camera bump on the back of the phone, housing a primary camera with a 50-megapixel sensor, a 48-megapixel wide-angle lens, and a 48-megapixel periscope lens for a telescopic camera. On the front, we expect a hole-punch selfie camera positioned in the upper center of the screen, with a 20-megapixel sensor underneath. The hardware situation should be quite obvious. The Xiaomi 12 Ultra will most likely come with the latest Qualcomm chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, coupled with 256 or 512 GB of storage. So hopefully it won't be long. The best offer from Xiaomi is coming soon. Also, Nokia seems to be gearing up to launch a new device with the Style Plus moniker, at least according to various certification filing leaks from China's quality certification and the Wi-Fi Alliance. Now, the Style Plus model number TA1448 has also popped up at the FCC in a pretty revealing way. First off, the leak features a very precise schematic showing that the phone will be 166.1mm tall and 76.4mm wide. It also features the general layout of the back of the phone, which looks quite reminiscent of the recently leaked Nokia G400 design or the Nokia G11. According to the document, those three cameras on the back include a 48-megapixel main snapper, 5-megapixel ultra-wide and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. Nothing too fancy actually. For selfies, the Nokia Style Plus will have a 16-megapixel camera. We do have one image of the front of the device as well, but the top and bottom bezels are cut off, so we can't say whether the selfie will use a teardrop or punch hole. Apparently, the display itself will expectedly be an LCD. Yeah, LCD in 2022. Also, part of the leaked specs, a 5000 mAh battery. We also know that the Nokia Style Plus should support dual-band Wi-Fi, 5G cellular and run Android 12 out of the box. Unfortunately, no word on pricing or availability as for yet. And to be honest, there are a lot of phones for that low-end specs and design. It's kind of no need to add more to the market. I think Nokia better should do big-time phone with a high-end and a lot of features. The features that big brands are taking from us. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, check out other videos on our channel. Some of them are already on your screens. Thanks for watching and see you soon.